don't know, Virtuous Nation, we're there again, you know what I mean? Hope everybody good and thing. Happy Easter, you know what I mean? You don't know, Easter Sunday, and the sun kind of come out, so you don't know, say, we have to reach the park, you see me I say? Nose feel all kind of, like, you know when you get sick, like when you catch cold and anything, then your throat kind of sore and anything there. But anyway, you don't know, we're gonna match up with a little blend up for that still, you see me I say? I'm gonna show you how I do that as well, you know what I mean? So, no just stay tuned for that one day, you don't know the things set already, you know what I mean? But yeah, as me say, the sun come out, the place look nice, I'm not lie. Still kind of breezy, still kind of look a bit cold, but you don't know that now go stop, you know what I mean? So, yeah man, hope everybody good and thing. You know what I mean? Big up on a nice clean self on a Sunday, yeah, you see me I say? Easter Sunday, you don't know. Hope you eat up on a fish and thing on Friday, you see me I say? But yeah man, you don't know. We just feel it vibes for just, you see me? Cause in our way there with the whole lockdown and everything, you know what I mean? Then when cover the basketball hoop them, so you couldn't really play basketball. You can go train still, you know, you can go do your running. You couldn't play football in some place, and you couldn't play basketball, you know what I mean? Cause them cover the hoop with some piece of wood and all kind of thing, you know what I mean? But the place free up now, you know what I mean? Yeah, you don't know, them are easy for the restrictions them. You don't know upon the lockdown thing, we're not fully out tight yet, but you see me? You know what I mean? So yeah, Virtuous people, you don't know reach at the park. No. You know what I mean? So what we're gonna do now, we just have to look a bit of stretching, and then after that, don't know, look a bit of warm up, and then after that, when I'm bridging there, so you don't know a one-on-one have to go on, and we're gonna see how that go on, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna big up on yourself and just follow the thing in the meantime. Alright, Virtuous Nation, you don't know, we're gonna do some stretching.
And we're gonna do some drills, you might as well jump in. And you can get some good footage of you getting some shot. Innit?
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 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 'Cause I don't keep. 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 'Cause I don't keep.
I know, but it's like, obviously, I know basically those are the two bangers, and I only know, let's say, like, not even 10 bangers. Yeah. I know it's, yeah. I stay check. Wow. I'm tired, Joe. I'll be ready next round. Well done! Now you're missing! You're gonna miss this one. Watch, and you're gonna go back to the deep. One arm. That's it. You're gonna miss this one. That's it. Yeah. No, run it back. I got a cut. No, honestly, man, I got like.
So we're going Virtuous Nation, you don't know, we just finished. It was a nice took session we just do, you see me I say. What I'm gonna do now, touch yard, roll a beard, kick back, you don't know, eat some food and then easy. I'm gonna edit a video here tonight and make sure say it drop tomorrow, you see me I say. For Easter bank holiday Monday, you know what I mean? So you don't know, thank you for watching, you know what I mean? Big up on a nice clean self. I try to push as much videos as I can, you know what I mean? Whether that be cooking, you don't know the things that me and Steve boss, you know what I mean? Big up on a nice clean self people, you don't know. Blessings and respect. It was a nice little light game with me and a couple of my brethren them. You don't know, it wasn't a really intense game like that, you know what I mean? But I saw you things set still, you know what I mean? As me say, what we are going to do now, touch yard, kick back, you know what I mean? Eat some food and then relax for the night. You see me I say? And you don't know, Virtuous Nation and a big up on a nice clean self, you don't know, and we're out.